Hi, this is Pat Iyer with Legal Nurse Podcast. I just finished an interview with Cate Leach, who I met through a networking group. She has a unique area of expertise that I wanted to bring to you. Cate, give our listener a quick tip on what is your area of expertise and what are some of the things that we covered in this podcast.
Thank you, Pat. So I am a self-protection advocate and instructor. And some of the things that we talked about today were things like trusting our intuition, situational awareness, and becoming very good at that. That is a foundational thing in self-protection. We talked about safety on the go and in our home. And we covered tools that we may want to use in personal protection, which would be things like pepper sprays, stun devices, kubatons, personal alarms, and that sort of thing. And I think that pretty much covered it in a broad sense. And one of the main things that I like to talk about is the confidence and peace of mind that women gain when they embrace self-protection.
And one of the keys that Cate focused on is that these types of things can happen when you least expect them. And it's important to be prepared. I shared with Cate in the podcast that my house was broken into in the middle of the night in our gated community where we had what turned out to be a false sense of security that nobody could get past the gate. Well, if you walk on foot, you can get right into our development. If you drive in a car, you have to get past a gate, but you could walk through bushes and get into a development that seems otherwise protected. I know that you're going to get some valuable tips from Cate's podcast. She shared with us some of the things that help us feel like we've got some confidence and a mindset of confidence to know what to do if all of a sudden we are attacked. Be sure to get Legal Nurse Podcast episode with Cate Leach, C-A-T-E, Leach, L-E-A-C-H, to get those strategies that will help you. Thanks.